Your mind isn't dirty. It's just distracted by lust. And if you don't take control, the world will do it for you. Here's the truth. Lust doesn't start on your screen. It starts from your own mind. Step 1. Identify your triggers. Notice what situations, thoughts, or feelings pull you toward porn. Boredom, loneliness, or stress. Once you see them, you can prepare for them. Step 2. Practice mindfulness. When urges rise, breathe deep. Your goal isn't to fight the thought. It's to watch it without feeding it. Urges like this loses power when you stop giving it any attention. Step 3. Delay and redirect. Tell yourself, I can think about this later. Most urges fade if you delay even just for 20 minutes. Then, replace the thought. Shift focus toward your goals, hobbies, or learning. Anything that builds you instead of draining you. Now, move your body. Engage in healthy habits like weight training, art, music, cooking, or just walking outside. A tired body leaves no room for a distracted mind. Step 4. Set boundaries. Unfollow, block, delete the contents that triggers you. Not because you're weak, but because your peace is worth protecting. And finally, Step 5. Pursue meaning. The deeper your purpose, the quieter your desires. Build skills, chase excellence, and if you struggle, don't isolate. Connect. Find friends, mentors, or an accountability partner who remind you who you're becoming and what you want to be. Because desexualizing your brain isn't about killing desire. It's about mastering it. And once you do, your energy, focus, and confidence returns right where they belong.